Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to put this transmission on the 5.7 Dodge Ram 1500 2008. I'm gonna put it on. I took it apart and replaced a new transmission here. That's a new transmission. Putting back together. That's a big job. Okay, shout out. It's a big job. So it's gonna mount my transmission here and the lifter. It's a pain in the ass. You need to down the exhaust, everything that interferes the transmission. So it's ready to put it on. The new used transmission. Shout out to all viewers. This is your HEMI 5.7-liter Dodge Ram 1500. So I put a strap, guys, not even out there. This is dangerous, it's heavy. That's very heavy. So before I'm gonna set it up there, guys, show you here. There's a dowel pin here, so I lubricate this area because the one stuck, so that it will not seize on the engine, close to the engine. So I lubricate that dowel so that it will easy to slide in. Okay, right there. So I'm gonna move this now. Out of pain in the ass. Finger. No. Okay. I need to lower it down, man. Lower it down. Lower it down. Lower it down. No. Okay guys, it's almost there. Just need to push a little bit. So if you don't line up this good, it won't go, man. It's hard, it's hard. So I need to push just to line up. Put this bolt just to hold it there so that it will not fall up again. Partially. Okay, so I put 2 bolts. Okay, guys, I put 2 bolts there temporarily, partially, so that it will not fall up again. So I'm gonna tighten a little bit and then push it forward, the transmission. Fuck. Just gonna tighten it more. Oh, this is 16. But big bolt to the top. Okay. Okay, need more socketing. Okay, put this bolt on, put this line up. Ready. Put that on. Okay, I'm gonna put the top bolt. This no bolt everything. So put everything, put the bolts, all the bolts first, and tighten them together. Top bolt. So it's very tight here, guys. There's another one bolt on the top. Fuck. Hang on. Okay, let me sit up here.